We are pleased to show you the 2019 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, backup camera, leather upholstery, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.